Good morning. This is still day 2 of my prep day. I made a green bean casserole. I just didn't get to post this. And if you missed day 1 and day 2 of my Thanksgiving prep series, please go back and watch it. So here we go. Let's just jump right into this. I have a 6-pound, 9-ounce can of Allen's green beans, and I'm going to put them in my strainer and drain all of the liquid off of them. Once I've got the liquid off of them, I'm going to go through them and make sure we don't find any stems like this, because Allen's green beans, in my opinion, are the best, but you will occasionally find a stem in your green beans, and you don't want your guests to find them either. One other note, I couldn't find a large can in the seasoned Allen's green beans, but if you can find that just makes this dish even better. Okay, once we've got our green beans strained and we've made sure no stems are in them, we are going to put this casserole together. I'm going to start out with 3 cans of cream of mushroom. If you're following along, we will need 1 can of evaporated milk. Let's mix this together. Back to our green beans, I'm going to take a potato masher, and I'm not going to mash all of these. I'm just going to mash these about 8 or 9 times with the potato masher. This will help your casserole bind together much better. Add 2 cups of French fried onions. Add your cream of mushroom mixture. Mix all of those ingredients together. And you are going to need a dish that you can freeze. I'm just using an aluminum foil pan, a 9x13. This makes it so easy on Thanksgiving Day just to put this in the oven. I almost forgot the pepper. How could I do that? I love pepper. So I'm putting some ground pepper and some cracked pepper in this green bean casserole. And because I almost forgot it, we're just going to give this another little mix. If I were taking this dish to a gathering, I would add bacon to this, because bacon would just be so amazing in this. But I am allergic to pork, so I don't add it. And once I've got that in the 9x13, I'm just going to cover this with some aluminum foil, and just for extra measure, I'm going to put some bags around it so it doesn't get any freezer burn on it. Of course, it's only going to be in the freezer a few days, but I don't want to take any chances. So the day before Thanksgiving, I'll get this out, let it defrost, put it in the refrigerator, and the next morning I'll top it with the remainder of those French fried onions. And I do buy an extra can of these in case I need more. Bake this in the oven on 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And that time can vary depending on your oven.